In this question now we have to deal with area of trapezium, but then it is a question which on the difficulty level would be on the higher side. I would suggest again that you read the question and try to solve it for 4 to 5 minutes and see what information, what application of concept of trapezium you can use in order to solve this. So let us read this question. If the area of the upper and lower triangles are A and B, in this figure A is the area of the lower triangle and B is the area of the upper triangle. Find the area of the trapezium in terms of A and B. So that means we have to find the area of the entire trapezium. Let's say the area of this part is X and the area of this part is Y. So we have to find A plus B plus X plus Y, and X plus Y we have to find in terms of A and B because these are the two values that are given in the question. So first let me name all the vertices A, B, C, D, and let's take this as O. So now here, how do we get to find the value of X and Y in terms of A and B? For that, one very important realization one has to make is that X will be equal to Y. How? For the simple reason that in a trapezium, one pair of sides, opposite sides obviously, are parallel to each other. And we know that any number of triangles which are on the same base, having base length equal, between two parallel lines will have equal area. In other words, area of triangle ABC is same as area of triangle DBC because both these triangles have equal base length BC, and both these triangles will also have equal height because the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines will always be constant, and that perpendicular distance is also the height of triangle ABC and DBC. So that makes these two triangles area equal, and in these two triangles, triangle OBC is the common part. Triangle OBC is common, and if we remove, we'll have this area equals to this area, that is X will be equal to Y. So now we have simplified our problem and we have to find A plus B plus 2X because this is also X. And now we have to only find X in terms of A or B. So how do we do that? For that, consider these two triangles, triangle ABO and triangle ADO. For these two triangles lie on the same base, that is BD. And if they lie on the same base, I can calculate their area in this way. Area of triangle ABD will be half into bases BO into height, whatever is the height. And area of triangle ADO is half into base of area of triangle ADO, that is DO into height. Now take a moment and understand that these two heights are equal. Why? Because height is nothing but the perpendicular distance from the vertex to the base. Both these triangles lie on the same base, and both these triangles have a common vertex, that is A. So for triangle ABO, the height is AP, and for triangle ADO also the height is AP. That means the heights are equal in length for both the triangles, and therefore you can cancel the common part, half half and height. So you have area of triangle ABO, which we have assumed to be X, and area of triangle ADO, which is given as B, as ratio of their base lengths, BO upon DO. So it's such a simple concept, but you'll take some time to understand. So please understand that X divided by B, this area divided by this area, is simply ratio of their base lengths, BO divided by DO. For the simple reason we can do it only because these two triangles, they lie on the same base and they have a common vertex, and therefore the heights of these two triangles are equal. Now on the other side of this diagonal BD, we have two areas that are A and Y, if we keep it as Y only. And A divided by Y will again be equal to BO divided by DO, because A and Y, these two triangles, area with A and Y, triangles with A and Y area also lie on the same base, and these two triangles also have a common vertex C, and therefore their heights are also equal. So A divided by Y is BO upon DO. We have BO upon DO as X by B here, and we have BO upon DO as A by Y here. So we can equate them. We can write X by B equals to A by Y, and that makes X into Y equals to AB. We know that Y is equals to X. So we have X square equals to AB, or X equals to square root of AB. So now we have our answer, that is A plus B plus 2X is A plus B plus 2 root AB. Or in order to put it in a more elegant way, root A plus root B whole square. So if we know this area of this triangle, and if we know area of this triangle, the area of the entire trapezium would be root A plus root B whole square.